Achiu Kamtaya Pauping NBF Office Cum Information Center Aka Tungre Humbungli Show Haira State Level Boxing Championship 2021 Li Tangkhul Nauna Khui Samphang Haira Aims na Asian Highway Hi Khangatei Apong Ngachemi Khawai Po Haira Lay Khayang Ator Aju the Tangkhul Express we pau Ringphawon Zimik na pami dalay pau ping may sa ay na nganang rumsa NBF we Office Cum Information Center Aka Tungre Humbungli Show Haira Office G Aya Komong Shomida NBF 44 Area Unit we President William na Tharkat Kamiya Ranye Chili ex MLA Samuel Risomla Wazangda NBF Maning Aka Naka Miyur Naka Ngale Ngatang Kui Kawai Shongja Malay Manada Anahanga India Gala Burma na Naka Miyur Sashiman Kawai Hotnara Shumlela Muramana Kiwiwang Chilaga Itum Naka Miyur here Kapanga Kala Invisible Miyuna Kachi Ogutui Achikun Mati Washungdali Kateya Yuna Kala Hiwi Katuka Angayun Hiva Vareli Seha Kasawi Pangshap Aina Karana da Samuel Risamna Hanga Tadwaki Kachi Shongzali Shitkasang Tukmaida Tadlaga Yurhi Ngatang Kwisa Rinsamna Panglak Aina Kasatsanga State Level Boxing Championship 2021 Li Tangkhul Now Aungshi Jingona Under Junior Boys 46 kg category Li Khui Samphang Haira Kuman Lambak Boxing Area Nali Kasa State Level Boxing Championship Chile Ukrul District we Team Region Kusomoshi Aina Paning Mi Kapai La Wazanga Under Junior Boys 2005 to 2006 46 kg category finally Aungshi Jingo Aina Imphal West we Huidrom Rishi Mangang Ngurukda Aungshi Jingo na Yuihawa Paning Mi Kapai na Youth Men for 54 kg li Pishnubur we El Nongshangbali Musunglaga Muyuitua Kala Team Region Kusomoshi na 48 kg li Pishnubur we Sanabam Surmala Januli Nguruklaga Janu na Yuihawa State Level Boxing Championship 2021 with gold medalist Kateping Chia. It light man 57 kg, Imphal with Edison Singh, Thobal with Shanti Kumar Lai Khuram, Kakching with MD Nazimuddin Elite Women Category Li F, Bishnupur with NG, Rima Devi, Ashalata of Bishnupur Kala Imphal West with TH Ojibala Devi, Youth Mayurna Willi Bishnupur with SH Arjun Sharma, Youth Women Category 63 kg li Churachambur with Melody Kilong, Kala 50 kg li Imphal West with K Pandana Janu Atumhina Khui Samphanga, State Level Boxing Championship 2021 with Youth Men Ngahan with Rani Ayakasa Juli IGB IK Muivana Muso Sada Wazanga, Ara Sports Manipur with Luiramli Kachihan Kahaka Lepai Haira Kachihangda Mericom Sarita Devi Dingu Longna International Arena Li Metal Samphangphang Ji Kahai Hina Yarili Kachihanda Ling Saka da Hanga Boxing Li Zangkhangai Khanuthot Taraka Lepok Haira Kachihi Hangda Coaches Kala Infrastructure Li Investa Aka Mathamai Khar Kachi Atazan Samphangra Kachihi Hangsanga Aims na Asian Highway Hi Khangatei Apong Ngachemi Khawai Po Haira Apunba Imagi Machasing Aims na Union Minister of Transport Aina Highways Nitin Gadkari li Asian Highways Hi Apong Khangatei Ngachemi Khawai Kuire Phaya Khamosom Phungthar Ukrul District Aina Hapogda Homelin Myanmar Aina Tangda Sami Khawai Chithi Kupika Haira Aims President M Kalendro Director Dr. D Atom Sunil Kala Khamosom Phungtharwe Social Worker A Philip Sosona Ngurumda Chithi Jili Shoi Kasa Pau Atishuda Sagang District Region Ngalemli Khale Homeling City Hi Chin Win Kong Nganaili Leda Ariri Mataila Kahai Shongfu Aka Ngasada Leda Hanga Kala Khamosom Phungthar Hina Ukrul District we Aina Talak Kahai Kunau Aka Ngasada Kalata Ring Bishop Kale Wivang Hei Kami Ku Village Akana Jiwivang Atumna Union Ministerly Asian Highway Kasem Hi Kuire Phaya Khamosom Phungthar Ukrul District Aina Hapogda Homeling Myanmar Hi Aina Tangda Samida Prime Minister Narendra Modi we Ag is policy ningrin ungshung khawai po haira hina northeastern state aina Myanmar we lei khulonli reg sangmang maningla kha kongphei ngalem chili mari khong ngasam khawai semkakalila ngchonra da phongshok haira ADC Bill 2021 Kathagwilungli Special Assembly Session li Khuikamilo Kachihi Hill Areas Committee na policy thaira Achahon Tribal Affairs and Hills Department na ADC Bill 2021 draft ji mayor khawai mi tharada khani gazang committee semka haina draft ji Hill Areas Committee aina ngasan khawai committee ji semhaira kachi Additional Chief Secretary TA and Hills Wishong aina notification achahon tarik magada shuni thang mi kushokna Kha notification ji Manipur Legislative Assembly we Rules of Procedure aina Code of Conduct of Business li matung makanda sahaira the Hills Areas Committee na mamayathura Constitution li migahai atishu the Hill Areas Committee na recommend kasaji District Council na yanglaga chatna ngasaki kachina kha kali kha the council jina masa paithura kha la maninga kha HAC we recommendation ji machana kachi thada thaya kha maram ji governor la khwiwalaga Governor we tui aina kupsanki kachina the HAC na hanga Constitution na khami athishu the Hill Areas Committee hi State Legislature we akai akhana kala State Legislature na chumakeup kacha ngasa the Department akhawe official na Manipur State represents the Executive Order aina HAC we memberly committee we wang la committee we mathun aina House we pristine kanchok laga kazip khawai samon kasa mangayi mana House we person maningla chithada Department we official executive order aina HAC li kazibli rajang sakhawai pangshap malay manada hangsanga Hill Areas Committee na T&A Hills we notification ji mangayi mana kachi hangda Manipur Legislative Assembly li ADC Bill 2021 ji khwika khawai special session kathagwilungli semlo kachi hi policy thaira Ukhrul District with Somdol Khali Bank of Baroda with branch Akasho Haira. Bank ji Aya Chief Minister Biren Tharkat Kamiya. Tharkat Rani ji Chief Minister na video conference aina zang la Ukhrul with DC zangda Bank of Baroda with Akhawa Bing Kala Village Authority Bing Bank of Baroda Somdol branch Tharkat Rani ji liwa zanga. Social media kasingnaw akhana Rani Kaiding Liuli Tem Kashi post sanga da long naw ping na Makhamaya Pongshok Haira. Awi tungli legal action Khuilo Chi Haira. CSO's Tarakadana Dr. Mark T. Haukip Koho Akawi Tungli Imphal West we SP Li complaint Thasang Haira. Dr. Mark T. H. Haukip Koho Mipaji International Human Rights Association Manipur President Nachia. Awi postli Makhamaya complaint Thakasangji IPSA ACOAM Loop PNDM IPAK Kanglamai Kapui Mothers Association KIL CLK Assam Manipur Nagaland with Zelengrong Union Kala KSA Hiping Hizanga Atumna complaint Thakasang Kopiji Chief Minister N Biren Singh Aina Imphal Police Station with officer in charge Lila Miva Haira IPSA with Vice President Khurai Jam Athaubana Kahang Mipajina Rani Kaidindu hi fake freedom fighter na da Mashit Lakla Achahon Tarik Magada Kutumthang post saya jia. Kala Chikatha post ji Paida Mukhi Paimara Kaja Ji anti Maniburina. Kala China Rijum Nao Pingwi Alungli Yangshi Kangarok Shok Nasak Paya da Hangsanga. Awi post jiva state with freedom fighter Pingli Mandishi Kanganao Aina Ngarai Chaya da Makamaya Pongshok Haira. Mark T. Haukip na post kasaji Union Home Minister Amit Shah lila tek saya chia. Maram hi Rongmei Organization akanala police li report sahai rasaya. Ka police na kika masami tuwa chia. Dr. Mark T. Haukip na Rani Kaidin Duli tem kashi post kasangwi kakhane Zimik show tarik magada mati thang awi Facebook account li post katay aka apology khami thada sangluya chia. Higata Otsaki Marashokli Kawai Concerned Authority na Dr. Mark Witungli Shongran Perkapai Perlo Kachihi CSOs Pingjina Bodale Post Kasaji Police na Kutum Thangwi Alungdi Book Masa Aka Hangahai CSO Tharajina Kasai Naka Mapamara da Hanghaira Manipur wi lansin li chotda khale kala apong khale maram li ngasan ngarum khawai kajib aya hapok haira Manipur economic challenges and opportunities kachi hina tukui sada Institute of Cooperative Management ICM Lamphel Badli ngasan ngaye sada lai kajib ji khani thongwiwang sada achi kupsangra Rani ji Economic and Resource Development Organization ERDO Kangleipak na ngaran khamina kajib jiwi haugupok Rani li CSSEIP wi Head Professor E Bijoy Kumar Singh MU Economic Department wi Dr Chinglen Maisnam DIC OSD Assam and Border Trade wi Retired General Manager L Dijamani CAU Department of Agriculture Economics wi Professor Y Chakraparty Ukrul SBI Branch Manager Dr. Metram Uttam Luwang, MIDC with Chairman P. Loken Bratip Panjobam, ERDO with Advisor Senior Journalist Naurem Ipoton Singh, CAU with Retired Den, Retired IFS Mohendra Pratap Singh, Retired Joint Director MS Khaitem Kala ERDO Kangleipak with President D. Sana Chauba Atumna, Presidium Member Sadavazanga. Ayawi Gazib Chili Subject Expert Pingna State with Lansin Mathamai Kawai upon a tay with Maram Lake Nasan Maruma. Atumna State Economy Mathamai Kawaila Kahab Kalay Maramla Nasana. State with Household Economy Regasan Wadlak Aina Kalay COVID-19 Mimauna Merlak Aina Satsa Kahai Pingli Washung Kawai Kasa Economy Hi Hapta Kalay Mamachut Kwila Ragahai Maramping Muchukukui Yari Wivang Zingum Pangawe Banking Policy Hogupok Hikata Maramle Nasan Maruma Rakara Financial Year Wivang State Budget Aina Policies Kasemle Recommendations Miva Kawai Pre-Budget Drafting Committee Semra Kalachu Wivang Yari Zanglaga Nasan Ngaye Kwikara the Subject Expert Pingjina Mayang Rokhaira Shure Lily Cup Tournament Ayawi Match Li Shillong Lajong Football Club aina United Brothers Football Club ngariyoda Shillong Lajong Football Club na yuhaira I League li Changgahai Shillong Lajong Football Club li United Brothers Football Club na kashop khishok da ngariyaw laka Shillong Lajong Football Club na Langai akha aina yui gahaina Achupung akha li KLASA Football Club aina New Market Football Club ngariyaw kidaleya BJB with Youth Volunteer pingna Achahon 47 Karong ACW Richum Now Pingli Medical Kit Yaumi Haira Banglanji Sewa International we manage aina Kamina Kalaji Yao Kamiwi Rani Ji ex MLA Dr. V Alexander Pawe Shimli Hikaya Sewa International hi not for profit organization Sewa Khalata Wivang Maningla Kate Wivang Odram Kangatu Kachi Hili Shura Mikumo Wivang Lem od kasa hi chungmai shokhawai kasa long akhana ngachi ngachamlak ka hai COVID-19 mimau khangasungni ngachon ki kichi medical kits samphangda karong AC mahaila ka kichi hi rani chili Dr. Alexander Pauna hangda medical kits chi khung mukuda phangali yaumi ka haina chiya kala mama shungrang kichi khung psycho ralila masangla chikatha khangachon ji mihaura da hanga RSS Manipur in charge Kalashat Koshok Tharan Khamgukhui hina organization ji Kamataya Korean Akangasaya Kuchi hi Hangda Kalashat li Sakazuping Gan Kukhui Kangachon Kala Som Khaluili Kangachon Hikatawi Otmurut Sahaira Chia COVID-19 relief operations la sada organization jina India ngalewe apam ngatei dali ventilators aina ngusoda oxygen concentrators thing t-shirt kada mihaira kala medical essentials khung lak akha thing mukada phanga kala slums apam pingli kan khana ari arai aina khangachon mihaira chia arila sewa international china yarili odram ngathawa fara the RSS with kathana jina hanga 47 karong AC li yaumi ka high medical kit chili oximeter, digital thermometer, mask, sanitizers, hand gloves, face shields, first aid medicine PPE kit, kala mayang pai machi la changda mi ka haina. ko sem na application date kasay sang mi haira higher secondary examination 2022 subject natai date with improvement category hiwi application form last date hit December 8 aina tangda extend sami haira kala late fine hit 500 per form li khwira chi haira notification mikushogli kosem chairman in charge Dr. L Mahendra Singh na fill up saga higher application form ji documents kala fees aina ngosoda mi gasangji December 10 wi pungmati da chithei mi haira chili lang the principal ping na hanga higher categories li gazang candidate will list ping council office we aina khamaya jangda portal kosemmanipur.nic.in li upload saholo kala ngarai ka charge council li December 15 pungmati wi alungli misang haulo da chithei mi haira acha kachang pi kamnom khui mi kap kathot case li khayon makhlei li tukhui haira da mutpang model khuli seat in protest sahaira October tatar ha tarik thrada khani ngothor pi kamnom ni nongmai rakab laga mi kuthum thisang ka hai ochod wi case li police na mi kuthum tukhui ngui haira da protest ka sabing jina hangda athumli ka tha guilungli jihomi lo da police thaira protest ka sa chili modpung aina ring anai pongwi shinausan tukhui ka hyping shiwi shimkhur theisa jangda mi shashana makhamaya phongshok haira tukhui ka hai kuthumjina KNF and we vice chairman mangsat haukip na kaguso athishura kasana chuiwang tukukhuina da police na ka hangji mamashungmana tukhui ka hai kuthumji mangsat haukip ko ho chili khi ka khangashik malai mana kala athumwa mangsat haukip ji khipa khala kuchila mathai samana da hangdalai chili langmai da mangsat haukip opium case wiwang aina August phai gachangwi tarik tharada akha aina hapok da sajiwa jeli changkasana chida sada bi economy ochochi police na mangsat haukibli phenda khlai jila khangahan sabai da hanga police na tukhui ka hai kuthum jili ki condition kha maperla kala atam mang sonlila sarkar kala police authorities na jihomi haulo gichi protest ka sabing china podalai Naka political issue maram ngaze khawai Nagaland with Chief Minister Nefirio Delhi li Union Home Minister Amit Shah li kasam phangki da leidalai Nefirio na aya kahang athishuda ana khani kuthum thangwe alungli Delhi li kalaga Naka political issue aina ngosoda Nagaland we opposition less United Democratic Alliance sarkar we maram lila kang sanra chiya Chief Minister China Paumi Pingni ka hang tha akha Delhi ka ki kachi hi Home Minister Amit Shah na ko hona Framework Agreement le hailala Final Solution mukhira ka pai maram le hangda Center aina NSCN IMW alungli pack ji shoi sa ka haina kala chuwi maram kupta mathai mana da hanga Nagaland UDA sarkar sem ka hai thili Naga People's Front le portfolios makhami maram le khangahan tharan maramchi ngasandalai the Rio na ngahan kai NBF legislature party leader sa the former chief minister TR Zilen cabinet status khami maningla NBF legislature party leader sa the former chief minister TR Zilen cabinet status khami maningla NBF legislator pingli Rio we ministry li portfolio mamiranga gohimali khle Seminun subdivision ji full-fledged district ngasang sa khawai rengma naganau pingna podalei maramli Rio na kahang district ji semi khawai group ji ko tharana podalei kalachi sa kapai masa kapai maramli sarkar na committee semda athumui thegukui ngarai dalai Mass COVID-19 vaccination drive cum relief campaign aya phungyer subdivision we kongjal khuli rungmi haira Rani ji BJP Manipur Kisan Morcha with Vice President 43 Phungyer AC with intending candidate Ningringam Kushungna Makhok Kamina. Seva hi sangathan with Azingli Ningringam Kushungna Makhok Mida Mass COVID-19 vaccination drive cum relief campaign ji acha kachangwe aina sarada khalaina. Aya Kongjal Khuli Rung Khami campaign chili Ramnao Pingli Khangachon Sada Mayangpai Machi Bias Kala hand sanitizers Yaumi Haira campaign chili ningringam kusungna rijumnaw bingli kharjan kasa samphangda rakhara election hili khokhasa da ale gutomilo kuchi hila pohaira India we state katel naw bingwi ngachaile matha sang makeup kuchi Manipur na tahaira da India Today State of the States Conclave 2021 le Most Improved State Award mihaira Manipur na Most Improved State Award samkapanghi ajuwi hina kakhane ngasaya State aka matha kasang ray kasang hi category ngatei da kaja lansin infrastructure liwat health governance entrepreneurship kala third khamatheng hi katha hili yanglaga award ji khamina award ji samkapangwiwang Chief Minister N Biren Singh na Ringphawon Phongshokda India Today Group na Manipur wi ray kasang chithe khami wiwang ningshi miya category ngatei dali pa khayang tharan Manipur na agriculture le matha kasang top lead changdale State Police with major breakthrough akale Thobal district with Huikap Awang Laikai le Kutlai arms and ammunition Taraka Tumhai Kasa Thobal Police na Tukui Haira Kutlai Bingji Seishimli Tumhai Saya Jia Case Jiwiwang Migutumli Tukui Haira Police na Kahang Atishuda Huikap area le Thobal Police na Shimli Operation Gazadle Insurgent Akale Tukuida Kutlai Tumhai Kasaje ana Hangpat Kahaina Jia Thobal Police Team SP Jogesh Chandra Haubijamna Thanda Chitada Watu Kukuiji Chief Minister Biren na Sok Ngai Taraga Phongshok Haira Chief Minister na Niyang Khung Phongshok da Thobal Police Team ni commendation khami ainang soda saman lupa lakh tharala mira da Chief Minister na Jishat Haira Pre-matric kala post-matric ST scholarship form misang khawai atam kasei sang mi haira achu aina tangda atam mi hai kasaji institute kai ka admission samhungda lehau ka da online application submission Zimik show tharada phanga thang kasei sang mi haira ST scholarship reform ji online aina thasang khawai December khayon kachangwe tarik tharada phanga thang aina tangda atam midale Lotluida achui khamataya paubing NBF Office Cum Information Center aka tungre humbungli show haira State Level Boxing Championship 2021 le Tangkhul naw na khuri samphang haira Aims na Asian Highway hi khangatei apong ngachemi khawai po haira Achu pau henang chang haira Pau ngana da klay na tum psycho rally ringapha kala khama haya Zimik show ngasa serano